So how do chickens convert the raw organic material into this material, humus or compost? We know that the chickens are scratching the ground every now and then, di ba? That's their natural behavior. Okay, and they do that because they search for food. Okay, bugs, seeds, whatever, no, worms, etc. Okay, and since they are scratching the ground, that means they are also turning over, they're mixing the material, okay, every now and then. So in other words, they are allowing the oxygen or the air penetrate into the material, so providing air or oxygen into it. So kailangan kasi ng oxygen at saka water. Yun ang mga elements na kailangan ng organic matter for it to process and for it to become, soil, for it to decompose, no, in a short span of time. So kung walang tubig, walang mixing, ang tendency is that it will take a long time for the material to decompose. Okay, so since the chickens are turning them over every now and then, thus providing oxygen or air into the material, into the ground, so napapadali yung conversion, yung decomposition of the organic matter. Okay, so yan ang kagandahan ng chicken composting system. So how long does it take for chickens to convert the raw material? Okay, in my experience is just 2 months. Okay, so that is roughly 8 weeks. So 8 weeks, maski ano karami yung bedding or yung organic matter, ito ay nagiging ganito. Okay, after 2 months, believe it or not. Okay, so yung heap composting, ito ay matagal-tagal din na magiging compost, is because we are not turning them over, no, so we just leave them and let them sit for 6 to 8 months. Okay. So that's the difference between heap composting and chicken composting system. Okay, so, ang difference nila ay yung span of time. Okay, dito sa 8 months, dito is 2 months. Okay, so we will mix this with the garden soil. This garden soil is a used garden soil. It's very bare. It doesn't have life, no? You don't see any macroorganism. Yung mga organismo hindi mo makita, maski maliliit na worms, wala. So that means we have to keep this soil healthy, make this soil healthy by mixing it with the two materials, the compost from the heap composting system and the compost or humus from our chicken composting system. Okay, so yung ratio natin is 60% of this one, mixed together, and then 40% of garden soil. Okay, ang kagandahan lang nitong garden soil na ito is that since it is sandy, quite sandy, so we don't need anymore to mix the material with sand or yung rice hull or rice husk, because our compost is very rich in organic matter. You see, meron itong mga maliliit na mga kahoy-kahoy or mga twigs, and that serves as already as that replaces the material called rice hull or rice husk. Okay, so we will mix it by hand. So this is a potting mix. Ito ay gagamitin natin sa mga paso, sa pots natin. We are planning to plant to grow pechay. Okay, so this material is already best for that vegetable, leafy vegetable. It is also, they call it also as cash crop because madali lang siyang mag-harvest. After 30 days you can already have your vegetable, so that means you can already sell them after 30 days, and then you just repeat the cycle. So every month you can have, harvest. Okay, so okay na ito. So this is right for our potting mix. Okay, so yung brown ay nagiging darker, so you cannot see the brown anymore. It's quite dark or very dark already, close to compost structure. This is very rich in again in organic matter, so that means our vegetable will be very healthy. Okay, so i-transfer lang natin sa paso para we can already transfer or transplant our seedlings. So we have our pot here. This is 10 inches in diameter, malaki-laki na rin. We can have 8 pechay plants here, or 8 vegetables. So ito yung potting mix natin. We are transferring it to the pot. Okay, so that's enough. And the other one, if you notice, our soil is very, buhaghag, very porous. This is just the right mixture. Okay, so that's it. That's already our potting mix on a 10 inches diameter clay pot. So after 2 days we will transplant our pechay. We'll just let this material sit for 2 days para yung nutrients ay talagang mag dikit-dikit dikit-dikit dikit sa soil, sa garden soil. So we'll let it sit for 2 days para yung nutrients ng compost natin ay ma-absorb ng garden soil. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something from this activity. I will surely see you in the next video that we will be uploading or making. Sige, bye bye, au revoir, see you soon.